today I'm having some fruit, and I've got some papaya, banana, oranges, kiwi fruit, some raspberries, and some strawberries. For lunch today I'm making some fries in my sandwich press. I'm also going to make a little salad with some spinach, tomato, and cucumber. Fries are done. As usual, I couldn't fit all of my potatoes in one go, so this is the second round. I'm also going to have some avocado with my lunch, so I'm just going to mash this up and add it to my bowl. So this is my lunch. I've got all of my fries, avo and salad, and I'm going to get into this now. For a snack, I'm having some of this chocolate chip banana bread that I made. And I made a recipe video for it, so definitely check it out. It is really, really good. And I'm also having a bit of green tea. For dinner today I'm making some burritos, and I've got these multi-grain tortillas that I'm going to be using to wrap them up. For the filling, I'm using the usual filling that I like. I've just got some pre-cooked rice, and to that I'm going to add some of this hot salsa dip, some spicy smoked paprika, and some black beans. I'm also going to be topping that with some avocado, tomato, and baby spinach.